Hi, everyone. Today, I'm going to show you how to use attributes in AltheaSuite when entering orders. For this example, we'll be working with two sample products, a chair and a couch, each available in different colors and patterns. We're going to start today on the attribute stock screen. This screen displays items that are currently in stock, broken down by their exact attribute combinations. For example, you can see that I have a chair in a purple color and a couch in a blue color with a star pattern. Each unique combination appears here as its own entry. Each variant is tied to a QLN, which is how the system tracks inventory for that specific combination. If you don't see a particular color or pattern listed here, that means it's not currently in stock. Now, let's move on to adding this item to an order. I'm going to go ahead and put this particular item in this field. Once I select that item, the attribute fields will appear. I'll start by selecting my first attribute, color, and in the value, I'm going to go ahead and type purple. If I need to add another attribute, I can go to this left-hand plus button and click the drop-down menu and add the second attribute. Again, I'm going to type in a value. Once I'm ready, I'll go ahead and hit create. Looking here, I can see that it has now been added with the name of chair and the attributes underneath. I can check the stock available for this product by hitting the context menu and hitting the show attribute stock section. Here you will see the same screen as we saw before, but now it'll only show you the chairs that you have in stock with the attributes on the screen. Looking here, I can see that I don't have a chair in the purple color with stripes. If I hit this exit and I try to assign a QLN, click that context menu, assign serial number, you'll notice that there are no QLNs to pick from the dropdown. That is because I don't have stock of that chair with these specific attributes. That being said, it's very easy to create a backorder PO from my system and order that product and receive it in. However, if your client would like something in stock that's similar to the product that you've chose, you can then go to your context menu, modify the attributes, and remove the attribute into which you do not have stock of. So for instance, since I only had a chair in the purple color, I then can remove the pattern attribute, click the little trash can here. We'll ask you if you want to delete the set. You can hit yes, and then hit create again. Now, when I return to that assign serial number page, the system will now show you that you have one QLN with the attribute purple on there. This process ensures that AltheaSuite knows exactly which QLN to reference for the selected combination. That's how the order is tied to the correct product variant and real-time inventory. Once I've selected the correct QLN and I have hit save here, that inventory is allocated to the order. From there, you can continue with the order process as normal. If you have any questions, comments, or concerns, please feel free to reach out to our support team. Thank you for watching.